Welcome. In front of me is a T tablet from T-Mobile, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings. And here, you're going to scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset Options. Next, select Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will give you a list of data that will be removed by this process right over here. If you see anything from the list that you'd like to preserve, maybe things like music, photos, user data, make a copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, you can select Erase All Data, and then do that once more, Erase All Data. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. Now, this process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.